to the next session in this course to help you to learn to improvise on the piano. So I hope you've been able to work with the sessions that we've done so far, to work with different chords, to work with the 1-4-5 sequence, going from the tonic to the subdominant to the dominant, back to the tonic, and also introducing the dominant seventh. So I hope you've managed to do quite a lot of practice with those. What I'm going to do now is actually put that together and translate it into an improvised song or piano piece. And then we're going to do one more, if you like, trick to take what we've done so far and expand it to another level. So I'm going to play some sort of tune starting in C. But what I'm actually going to do this time is I'm going to just add some linking notes, a little bit of a rhythm, and turn this into a little bit of a musical piece. Now, one thing you might have noticed with that piece is it was quite nice sounding, perhaps, although I made a couple of mistakes, but that's part of improvising. But it sounds quite nice. But is it possible to take it to a little bit of another place to make it slightly deeper? When we play a tune or a song in just major keys, it has a kind of happy quality. It has satisfied, fairly easygoing flavour to it. If we want to introduce depth to the music we're playing, then it's when we need to go to the minor chords, which gives us that more inward feeling. A minor key is slightly sad, more inward, more reflective, and a major key is always more outward, more happy, and perhaps a little bit more superficial sounding. So in other words, we're going to go from all major chords. I'm going to introduce a minor key, which is called the relative minor of C. So how do we find the relative minor of a major chord? So using C again as our example, all we have to do is we have to go 3 steps down the keyboard. 1, 2, 3. So the relative minor of C is A minor. So A minor, that's A major. So there's C, and the relative minor is A minor. And we can incorporate A minor into our 1-4-5-1 sequence. Anytime we like, we can just swap over C for A minor to bring that more inward quality, the more melancholic quality to the music. So let's play another piece up here, just to see what that sounds like. So far, all sounds very happy, but it feels like it needs to go somewhere to take it to a bit more depth. So let's introduce the minor. So I'm going to play A minor now. So you could see there that we were able to take the music just into a little bit of a wider space by introducing the relative minor. So what I'd like you to do till the next last session is just to make sure you can play any major key on the piano and go down 3 steps to find the relative minor and play the minor chord and back to the major chord. So starting again with C as an example. If you were to take F, G, So that's actually quite an easy exercise for you to do this week, but I'd also like you to start to see if you can actually string melodies together. In the next session, we'll take a last look at where to go from here, and until then, happy practicing, enjoy yourself, learn those relative minors, add it to everything else you've got so far, and I'll really look forward to seeing you in the next session.